In today's episode, we'll be talking about yoga asanas specifically designed by Iyengar Yoga during menstruation. A lot of women feel very tired, lethargic, or get cramps or muscle or stomach pain, and that's why they don't practice yoga. But there are a lot of asanas which we can practice as long as we avoid inversions like Shirsasana, Sarvangasana, and any of the arm balances. So let's go ahead and practice a couple of asanas. So we're going to start off with this asana called Uttita Hasta Padangushtasana, which is very good for especially if you have stomach cramps during periods. So you can stand on the floor on a block, hold a rope. Again, if you don't have a rope, it's fine. You can even hold a dupatta or a belt on the grill of your window. Raise your left leg up. Keep your right hand on your waist. Now make sure that your ankle is right underneath the hip and both your shoulders are rolled back. Your left elbow and left shoulder are in one line. So we stay like this for about 15 to 20 seconds before we change. Now we move to the other side. Place your left foot down and right leg up. Keep pushing the wall or the grill of your window with your right foot and turn the right thigh out. There's also a tendency of sticking your left hip out while doing this. So make sure that both the hip sockets are squeezing into each other. We repeat these for about 2 times for 20 seconds each. So the next asana is called supported Ardha Chandrasana, for which we just need a brick and a plain wall. We turn our right foot out 90 degrees and place our right palm on the brick. Pressing the palm on the brick, raise your left leg up slowly. Now if you need a rope, you can use a rope and keep your hand on your waist. This really helps in opening out the groins as well as reducing the stomach cramps. Raise your right hand up and pack yourself towards the wall. We hold this for about 30 seconds. And repeat this on both sides. So the next asana is called Supta Baddha Konasana, for which we need a bolster, a blanket and a belt. Even if you don't have a belt, it's fine, you can still do the asana. It really helps in again relaxing the uterus and it comforts the mind, especially when women are in periods. So we pass the belt through our waist and take it across our foot. Make sure that the belt is underneath your lower back and the bolster is touching your lower spine. We lie down slowly and bring a blanket underneath the neck so that our chin doesn't lift out. Chin comes closer to the chest and we observe our breath. Take your heels a little bit away from your pelvis. Let go completely. As you inhale, observe your abdominal muscles moving up, and as you exhale, sink down into the mat and your lower back into the bolster. We can stay like this for about 5 minutes, and it would really help you, especially when you're having your periods, to completely let go and get started all over with a fresh day. So these are a couple of asanas that you can practice while you're menstruating and also get a lot of relief, especially if you have stomach pain excess flow, lower back pain while you're on your periods. So there are a lot more asanas which will be added in the couple of more episodes coming up. Keep watching EBNIL. Thank you.